Turmeric has been used for centuries by humanity, both as a spice and for medicinal purposes. But do you know the benefits of consuming turmeric water? And how should you prepare turmeric water? In today's video, we will discuss the incredible benefits of drinking turmeric water and how to consume it in the most efficient way by enhancing its absorption. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started. Benefits of drinking turmeric water. 1. Supports liver health. Turmeric is a powerful plant that can provide various benefits to the liver due to its curcumin content. Curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the liver and improve liver functions. Additionally, curcumin's powerful antioxidant properties help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and protecting the liver. The components of turmeric can aid in the regeneration of liver cells and the repair of damaged tissues. Turmeric also supports digestion by increasing bile production and can enhance the liver's ability to metabolize fats. By helping to eliminate toxins from the body, curcumin supports the liver's detoxification process. It also has the potential to reduce liver fat. 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. Turmeric can have various positive effects on blood sugar. Curcumin, its active ingredient, can help balance blood sugar levels by increasing the body's insulin sensitivity. By supporting pancreatic health through its anti-inflammatory properties, it can positively affect insulin production. Additionally, its antioxidant effects combat free radicals, preventing cell damage and supporting overall metabolic health. Regular consumption may contribute to blood sugar control, but it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before any supplement or dietary change. 3. Prevents heart diseases. Curcumin can protect heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. It can lower LDL cholesterol levels and increase HDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Curcumin is known to dilate blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and prevent blood clotting, reducing the risk of vascular blockages. It also improves endothelial function, providing a protective effect against heart diseases. Thus, turmeric water can be a beneficial natural supplement for those looking to support heart health and reduce the risk of heart diseases. 4. Improves brain functions. The powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric water can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in brain cells, lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Its components increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, supporting the growth and survival of brain cells. It can also improve learning and memory functions by enhancing neuroplasticity. Turmeric can reduce the formation of amyloid plaques seen in Alzheimer's disease and has positive effects on mood by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels. These components' ability to cross the blood-brain barrier allows direct effects on brain tissue, making turmeric water a beneficial natural supplement for supporting brain health and cognitive functions. 5. Prevents cancer. Turmeric's strong anti-inflammatory properties can reduce chronic inflammation, lowering the risk of cancer. Its antioxidant components combat free radicals, preventing DNA damage in cells and reducing oxidative stress that can lead to cancer. These components can inhibit the proliferation and spread of cancer cells, slowing or stopping tumor growth. By promoting apoptosis, programmed cell death, it ensures the natural death of cancer cells. Its anti-angiogenic effect makes it difficult for tumors to grow by forming blood vessels, and its anti-metastatic effect can prevent cancer cells from spreading to other organs. 6. Aids in weight loss. Turmeric water can increase the body's energy expenditure by accelerating metabolism, thus promoting the burning of more calories. Its components can reduce the growth of fat cells and the formation of new fat cells, decreasing the total amount of fat in the body. By reducing chronic inflammation, these components support weight loss. They can regulate blood sugar levels by reducing insulin resistance, preventing fat storage. Improving digestive health allows better nutrient absorption and increased energy use. By increasing thermogenesis, it speeds up the production of body heat and calorie burning. 7. Reduces anxiety and depression. The components in turmeric can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by decreasing inflammation in the brain due to their strong anti-inflammatory properties. They can also improve mood by increasing serotonin levels, as low serotonin levels are known to be associated with depression and anxiety. The antioxidant effects can reduce oxidative stress in the brain, positively affecting mental health. By increasing neuroplasticity, turmeric promotes the formation of new nerve connections in the brain and can regulate stress responses. It can also affect brain health indirectly by improving gut health and impacting the gut-brain axis. 8. Relieves joint pain. Curcumin's strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can relieve pain caused by joint inflammations and protect joint tissues. Its pain-relieving properties can reduce joint pain, especially in degenerative joint diseases such as osteoarthritis. By increasing joint flexibility and mobility, it allows for more comfortable movement in daily life and during exercise. Additionally, curcumin's positive effects on the immune system help the body fight inflammation more effectively, contributing to the protection of joint health. 9. Improves digestive system. Curcumin's strong anti-inflammatory effects can reduce inflammation in the digestive system, alleviating symptoms of conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome. Its antioxidant properties protect digestive system cells from the harmful effects of free radicals. By improving gut health, turmeric helps maintain healthy bacterial flora and regulates digestive processes. Curcumin's stomach protective properties can help alleviate stomach ulcers. It can promote the secretion of digestive enzymes, ensuring better digestion of nutrients, and help manage issues such as constipation and diarrhea. 10. Promotes skin health. Turmeric water offers numerous benefits for skin health. Its anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate skin problems such as acne and eczema. Its antimicrobial properties protect against skin infections. With its powerful antioxidant structure, turmeric protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals, delaying signs of aging. It can also contribute to a brighter appearance by evening out skin tone and reducing blemishes. However, it is recommended to perform a patch test before topical use to avoid allergic reactions. 11. Boosts immunity. The strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric can protect immune system cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and support the healthy functioning of the immune system by reducing inflammation. Additionally, it can enhance microbial resistance, strengthening the immune system's defense mechanisms against harmful bacteria and viruses. Curcumin can stimulate the activation of immune cells, allowing the body to fight infections more effectively. By improving gut health, it helps maintain healthy gut flora, contributing to a stronger immune system. How to prepare turmeric water. Ideally, use 1-2 teaspoons of turmeric powder or 1-2 centimeters of fresh turmeric root for 1 cup of water. Add a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to increase absorption and wait until it boils. Then, consume when it cools. Piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, so adding black pepper is important. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Have a good day.